today's video, I'm gonna make a Funko. I'm gonna open a Funko Pop. It's Sonic with Emerald, and there's so many other ones. See, Sonic with Ring, Sonic with Emerald, Shadow, Dr. Adrian, Supersonic, Shadow with Chow as well. So open this, and now do this. There's also steam for it, and let's just put it on. And here is the Funko Pop. It's cool, right, guys? It even has the emerald. It has the rings. It has big, cute eyes. It has everything on it. So that's the end of this video. See you in the next video.